everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today guys, I'm going to be doing a little something for you all. I want to do something for my kitchen. I don't know what I'm going to put in it yet, but I'll figure something out. So you can pick up these for £1 from Poundland. Yeah, so I'm going to be spray painting it in cream, but it's more like a yellowy cream colour, but it would do. Then if you saw my last video, where I made like like a bow out of this stuff, I'm thinking of doing the same and putting one there. I'm thinking of glue gunning this on here, so it's like a little handle, and then maybe glue gunning one of these on. Here's the packet, so you can pick up these from Home Bargains for like what, I think it was £1. So you just take off the funny bits. It doesn't matter what it looks like on the back, so you're not going to be seeing the back. So I'll be glue gunning it round about here. So yeah, but I don't know if I'll probably be able to get on the full word of whatever I want it to be. Like if it was like cookies for cookie tin, or like biscuits, or other little bits like yeah. So but instead of putting like, like say biscuits, just put a B. Instead of cookies, just put a C, something like that. But yeah, I'll probably see what it turns out like. So yeah, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go for now. I'll give it a spray paint, see what it looks like when I've gave it a spray paint. So bye for now. So I've spray painted it. So it's not fully dry yet, but it's looking alright. I'm actually loving the colour. So while I'm waiting for that to dry, I'm going to I'm going to do the bow. So same as last time. So 3 fingers and then the rope. So I'm just gonna go around like, I think maybe 3 times. Yep. Then I'm going to get the scissors yet again, and I'm gonna snip it, because look, you need a bit there, this side sticking out, and a bit this side sticking out. So I'm just gonna snip it about there. Then obviously undo it. Then go directly in the middle. Make sure your bottom bits are sticking down. And then you want to be going over again, but in the middle. And then just tying it quite tight as well. Make sure you do it as tight as you can, because you don't want it coming undone. Oh, that bit just slipped out a bit there. So Just try that again. So, yeah. Make sure it's in the middle. Then tie it again. One more knot there. But again, make sure it's actually in the middle. And then you want to snip it at the back, like so. So just grab that a minute and then snip. And then make sure it's all alright and level. Just gonna snip it here just to make sure it's level. So yeah, so now I've got a little bow here and it's come out pretty much perfect. So I'll put the camera back round and this is what it looks like. Move that bit of string away. So once this is dried, it'll be going on nicely there, I reckon. Let's see what this bit looks like. There we go. So that will be getting stuck on soon there. So that should turn out alright. But again, I don't know if it's actually fully dry yet. I might leave it a little bit longer. I'm not going to bother painting the top bit of there. So it'll be gentle and have it on like that. And I'm going to glue that on there. So that should turn out okay. So yeah, so I'm going to put the glue gun on and see how this goes. So hopefully it might look alright in the end. So bye for now. I've finished, guys. Looks pretty nice. So yeah, can you smash that like button? Leave a comment below on what you think and what you would like me to do, and can you share this video if you know anyone who would be interested in this type of stuff. And the reason why I do these videos is because usually I go to YouTube for inspiration on on stuff I like to make, and it helps me with like getting my ideas right. Like I got this idea from someone off YouTube of putting one of them on, but yeah, but I usually do it for other stuff as well now. So yeah, so if yeah, so can you turn on notifications as well, please? And I shall see you next time. So bye for now.